O divine angels, beings of light and love who inhabit the celestial spheres and walk among us, I come to you with an open heart and a soul thirsting for connection. In the midst of life's uncertainties, I seek your presence, your guidance, and your protection. May the light that emanates from you illuminate my path and guide me along the paths of existence. Angels, messengers of the Creator, who bring with them the wisdom of ancient times, I ask you to wrap me in your ethereal wings. May your pure and vibrant energy envelop me, chasing away the shadows that sometimes try to settle in my being. May I feel your presence by my side, like a gentle whisper reminding me that I am never alone. O guardian angels, whom each of us possesses, I ask that you always be by my side, protecting me from dangers both visible and invisible. May your constant vigilance bring me security and peace, even in the storms of life. May I trust in your guidance, knowing that you are always ready to guide me in moments of doubt and uncertainty. Angels of healing, who bring the restorative energy of divine love, I come to you seeking relief from the pain I carry. May your healing light penetrate every cell of my being, bringing harmony and balance. May I feel your presence in every breath, allowing healing to flow through me, renewing my body, mind, and spirit. O angels of wisdom, who know the mysteries of the universe, I ask that you grant me discernment in my choices. May I see beyond appearances and understand the lessons that life has to teach me. May your light illuminate my mind, dispelling confusion and bringing clarity in moments of indecision. May I hear the voice of my heart, guided by the wisdom that emanates from you. Angels of prosperity, who bring abundance and opportunity, I come to you with gratitude for all the blessings I have already received. May your energy of prosperity flow into my life, opening doors that were closed and bringing new opportunities for growth and fulfillment. May I be a channel of abundance, sharing what I receive with generosity and love. O angels of harmony, who promote peace and unity between beings, I ask you to help me cultivate healthy and meaningful relationships. May your light dissolve conflicts and misunderstandings, bringing understanding and empathy between people. May I be an instrument of peace, radiating love and compassion in every interaction. Angels of joy, who bring lightness and happiness, I come to you seeking renewal. May your vibrant energy envelop me, awakening in me the joy that is often hidden beneath the worries of everyday life. May I find beauty in the little things and celebrate life in all its fullness. May your presence remind me that joy is a state of being that I can choose every day. O angels of protection, who guard our homes and loved ones, I ask you to wrap those I love in a cloak of safety. May your light protect them from all harm and guide them on their journeys. May I be a beacon of love and protection for them, just as you are for me. May our connection grow stronger every day, uniting us in a bond of unbreakable love. Under your watchful eye, may we face life's challenges with courage and faith, knowing that we are always supported by your divine presence. May the peace that emanates from you envelop our home, creating a sacred space where love, understanding, and harmony can flourish. May we walk together towards the light, always guided by your wisdom and protection, and may our hearts be open to receive the blessings that the universe has to offer us. Amen.